Hi friend, my name is Somnath sapkal and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Okay, friend, today's video we are going to discuss about the secret of a successful people. Means friend, those people up to now successful, there are so many people and they have some habits, some common habits. On the basis they work regularly and they become successful. And on the means I also read some biography of a successful people and I want to share some things with you. That's why I am creating this video. Okay, then let's listen carefully. Okay, then first thing is friend, those people up to now successful, first most important things, they have burning desire. Okay, means they have burning desire means any obstacle will become within their success period, they can't stop over there. They regularly work on it. That is burning desire and it's most important. But what happen, our common people, those up to now can't able to become successful. Okay, we don't have burning desire, we have only desire. If any obstacle will come, we skip that thing, we give up that things. Okay, but successful people, they have burning desire, they never give up, they work on it regularly. There are so many people after too much failure they become successful. That's why burning desire is most important. Okay, then second thing is friend, they work on a goal. Okay, means every single day they have a goal. Means at a morning time, afternoon time, evening time, means each and every day they have planning. On that basis they work regularly. This is also most important. Means small things make a big change. That's why they work every day, they have everyday planning. That's why they work regularly on their goal. Okay, and third things I want to suggest you, that is they have winning mindset. Means they have little bit successful, they experience. Okay, and on the basis they work, they know 100% they will become successful. After it will take a time, but they will become successful. That's but common people, if we don't think like 100% we will become successful. They do their work 100% and become successful. This winning mindset, they have most important things for every day. Means we should feel that success 100% we will become successful. And because what happened, due to these things our interest will be increase. Okay, and automatically we will addicted that work and give our 100%. These things also most important. And fourth things is a friend, they learn every day new. Okay, they want to learn every day new, means they have excitement to learn every day new things. Okay, what happen if any you are doing any career, some XYZ things, and if you are interested in things learning every day about that, 100% your interest will be increased and you will addicted that work. Okay, means learn something new every day. Okay, that's most important things. And final things is that is a fifth things, that think in positive. Means you also heard someone think in positive. That's most important. Our thinking is most important. Means what you see, what you read, what you listen, means on that basis we make our personality. Okay, that's why thinking is most important. Okay, what are you thinking, on the basis you will become. Okay, that's why think positive way. There are so many books also, but most of people have a question, what is the positive thinking. Okay, I want to explain one brief example. Okay, if I have a water bottle, okay, it's half filled. Okay, it is not full filled, it is half filled. But if anyone asks me for water, I will say two sentences to them. Okay, one is I will told them this bottle is half filled, and another is this bottle is half empty. But instead of half empty, I should refer to this bottle is a half filled. This is a positive way, and this positive way you should speak every time. This is too much important. And friend, these are things I want to suggest you. I collect this point for you. Okay, if you like this video, let's subscribe and share with your friend. Okay, thank you so much.